Imagine effortlessly creating a feast of your favorite mouth-watering dishes, like vibrant smoothie bowls, indulgent banana walnut pancakes, crispy mushroom bacon toast, comforting tofu scramble, flavor-packed tacos, creamy melt-in-your-mouth pastas, flavor-packed burritos, hearty shepherd's pie, classic bangers and mash, and irresistible mouth-watering desserts. If this sounds like something you'd like to try, get ready because you simply won't believe they're made from plants. Welcome to the Complete Plant-Based Cookbook, a place for delicious mouth-watering plant-based dishes. Whether you're just starting to explore plant-based eating or on the hunt for recipes that are both satisfying and good for you, you've come to the right place. This cookbook isn't about ditching animal foods, it's about celebrating whole, unprocessed ingredients. Imagine yourself in the kitchen, surrounded by a rainbow of nature's finest offerings: crisp, flavorful fruits and veggies, hearty grains, protein-packed legumes, and a treasure trove of nuts and seeds. These ingredients aren't just the building blocks of a plant-based diet, they're the key to a healthier you and a happier planet. Inside the Complete Plant-Based Cookbook, you'll find over 200 vegan recipes to meet your daily needs, from breakfast, lunch, salad dressings, dinner, and desserts. They will taste so good that you simply won't believe they are made from plants. You will also get access to beloved comfort foods that even non-vegans adore. We've kept things simple for you to follow with clear instructions and mouth-watering recipe photos to inspire you. And the best part? You can pick up the ingredients right at your local supermarket. Tofu, tempeh, a bunch of fruits and veggies, nuts and seeds, it's all there, ready to become your new kitchen staples. But here's the real magic. These recipes are so delicious to convince even die-hard carnivores to give plants a whirl. Whether you're looking to incorporate more meat-free, dairy-free, and egg-free meals into your weekly routine, the Complete Plant-Based Cookbook is your go-to resource. Say goodbye to dull and tasteless meals and hello to an exciting plant-based journey filled with creativity and nourishment. Let's find out how plant-based foods can help you feel balanced and harmonious in both your diet and life. You won't believe the magic of these recipes. They're packed with protein, totally animal-free, and a game changer for your health. The best part? They're easy to make. Just spend a few minutes each day making these satisfying vegan dishes, and you'll be healthier, more energized, slimmer, and stronger for life. Keep on reading to discover more, and grab your copy of the Complete Plant-Based Cookbook today.